Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon. Greeting you all according to your time. How is everyone doing? Happy New Week. It's another beautiful day in my life. Yeah. So if you're coming across my video, this is Chichi Lifestyle, a new YouTuber based in Plateau, Plateau State, Jos. Yeah. So this is a new YouTuber trying to grow up, tries to provide for the family. Please, you can help me by subscribing to my channel. You can help me grow by subscribing, liking, comment, and also help me share my video. For my returning subscribers, I love you guys all. Thank you always for stopping by. Thank you for always liking, commenting, and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Much love. We love you. Thank you so much. So it's another beautiful day. My kids went to school, so I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of things, to the activities. I just come back from shop, so I'll be making lunch for them before they will come back from school. Just stay tuned to the video and stay tuned and keep watching, keep liking, keep commenting, and keep sharing. We love you. Thank you so much. Okay, so stay tuned to the video and enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, I'm on my charcoal as usual. You guys know that I don't have gas cooker. Not that I don't have the gas cooker. I have the gas cooker, but it's just refilling it is a little bit this. So as a housewife, Oga said he cannot be affording this thing, gas cooker, and I don't have anything really. So that is why we base on charcoal. I'm using charcoal. So I'm on my charcoal right now. So this is how we on it. See my charcoal. I've on it already, and that will allow it to catch very well. Then we'll start cooking. But I don't know what I'm going to cook for them. I don't know if I cook yam or rice, because it's always past 12. They will come back by 1. You see? So if I'm making rice, that means it's going to take a lot of time. Because if it's yam, I have stew here. My baby is sleeping at the babu. This boy like babu like tomorrow morning. So if I'm cooking rice, it will take a lot of time. But if it's yam, I have stew here, so I can cook white yam and use stew and eat it. That's another thing. And if you're using stew, that means my stew is not going to last, because I made stew yesterday or day for yesterday. Yes, I made stew day for yesterday against Sunday. So let me see what I will do. So how do you see the video? Please, if you are watching my video, please do well to support me by liking my video, by sharing my video, by commenting, and also please help me share my video. Okay, please, if you are helping me, that means you are helping me a lot. We are growing this channel together. You can help a housewife to achieve her dreams. Yeah, I have dreams, a lot of dreams that I need to fulfill. So I think by doing YouTube, I don't know, but doing YouTube, I think one day, someday, my dreams will come. I will fulfill them. Yeah, I have passed through a lot in this life. At least for one day, I need to be happy. That's life for me. So guys, let's listen to the video as the rest of the video as we do the rice. I will allow it. So this will be blowing it and it will catch fast fast. Let's put the yam. So let's put the kitchen. This girl did not sweep kitchen before she left. She's always like this. I'm used to her, Sha. Honestly, I'm used to her. My jackals. I'll be picking them one after the other. Simple. I even have extra. Maybe when I want to make stew and still cook soup, I'll be using this one for the pot. Yeah. My husband said he cannot afford gas, so that we should be using charcoal. He cannot afford gas every week to be refilling it every week. Not that you fill the tank like 3 kg or 2 kg. That I cannot afford it. That you should be using charcoal. So I said, so anything. If you say we should not even cook, I said, so me, I'm a housewife, I not get anything doing. So I'm praying to God help me. Let me make it in this my journey, and everything will change. Because this life is no easy. Sometimes I feel like crying, but crying will not solve the problem now. That is it. My life now turned upside down, and I'm not blaming everyone. I think I'm blaming myself. So like this is, I'm going to carry yam. So this is the new place that I keep my place. So this is the place I'm keeping my things for now. After the storm, I don't even have not even much property. Like we pack our things that will be leaving this compound to go to the next compound. They want to do renovation in this building. So this is where I pack I keep my things now since they went to the other place and stole everything. So this is my yam. I'm cutting my yam. I'm going to be peeling it now. So guys, I'm going out now. The plan change. So the plan change, and I'm going to shop right now. So let me go. Maybe till I come back, I will continue. I want to go to shop. Something just happened. So guys, so this is me after I come back from shop. Yes, you can see I've come back already, and I'm peeling the yam. Cut it off. Yeah. So I'm going to be peeling the yam, and my children has come back from school already, and my baby is feeling hungry. No food for him unless I finish cooking now. So I'm doing first. No food. The senior did not remove. They did not remain this thing for him. He went and carried our lunch box and he's empty. Let me go first and find something for him to eat. So I'm filling the yam now. Daddy, but I should want the food. That one is spoiled. The remaining one remains small. Chidu, babe, you remain your food. Bring, let me warm it. What do you want to eat? You know it, Ko. You don't like eating your food. I know you very well. But every time I will struggle to put lunch box for you. Last, you come back with it, carrying it. So, the small baby is really hungry. And his big brother made food. So, let me warm this one for him. And eat. Do that. I know he will not eat too, but let me pray he eat. Because the boy is really hungry. So I finished peeling the yam at this point. Let me wash it. water. You know I put hot water before I left. So I'm putting my hot water for so I'll add charcoal. So this will be adding our salt. Yeah, I like cooking yam with salt. I don't know about you people, but I love cooking yam with salt. Yeah, I love cooking yam with salt. If you cook yam without salt, me I will not eat it. That's it. So we allow going to allow it. So cook. Yes, so cover it. Then she surprised me. Didn't I woof? Oh me. So guys, let's share the food. We are done. We share. So this the yam is ready. This one is my own share. Don't be Bruno. That's here and cool. Here and here. Don't touch anything there. So guys, come and join me. Let's have lunch.